Did you know that one tiny word you say every day is secretly ruining your interactions with other people? It is a word so small that you don't even think about it when it leaves your mouth. You might think you are just having a normal conversation, but your brain treats this word like an eraser. It instantly deletes the nice things you just said. Suddenly, the other person feels attacked and gets defensive. This word is but. Welcome back to Hidden Word Power. Today, we look at two words, but and. While they seem like simple grammar tools, they actually control the entire emotional energy of our conversations. They have a huge difference. Psychologists call but an eraser word. Why? Because it deletes what you said before. Imagine someone tells you, "You did a fantastic job on this project, but you missed the deadline." What happens? The compliment is just gone. Your brain only focuses on the bad stuff. The good feeling dies instantly and you go into defense mode. To change this, build a bridge instead of wiping things out. Let's look at 3 simple scenarios where the word and completely changes the outcome. To see what I'm talking about, just think about how we talk to people at work. When your manager says, "I really appreciate your creative ideas, but we don't have the budget for them." The conversation stops, you feel shut down and unmotivated. Your manager could say, "And this sounds totally different," and keeps you motivated. "I appreciate your ideas, and we need to figure out how to make them work with our budget." The facts are exactly the same. The budget still is tight, and yet you now feel valued and included in the solution, and allows 2 different realities to exist at the same time without destroying either one. Let's have a look at the first example I said earlier. Like, you did a fantastic job on this project, but you missed the deadline. And here is what we could say instead. So the first part of the sentence remains, and we need to figure out how to hit the deadline next time. Or you could say, again, this first part is the same. You did a fantastic job on this project, and now we just need to solve the deadline issue for the future. Or you could say, and we will look at the deadline together so it matches perfectly next time. And you say the exact same facts using and keeps the positive energy alive, and it's a win-win situation for both. Let's have a look at another example in the private life. Imagine a friend asks for a favor. Instead of saying, "I would love to help you, but I really don't have any time," which feels like a cold reaction, you could say this: "I would love to help you," and then make a full stop. And now we don't need to say "and," we just, next sentence, say, "I just don't have the time right now." And this also works well. Same thing again, "I would love to help you." Full stop, new sentence. "We can do it as soon as I have some free time." The facts are the same, and your friend still feels valued. These small changes have huge power. They show how one word can easily fix a conversation or completely ruin it. My question to you is, have you ever heard someone ruin a nice compliment just by saying the word but? Let me know in the comments below. I'm really curious about that. If this video opened your eyes, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to know how words secretly control our world, make sure to subscribe to Hidden Word Power right now. Thank you so much for watching. Your words have power. Learn how to use them. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.